Hello, in this video we're gonna check if ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro does have the stereo speakers. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and there's many gaps on this phone, so it will be kind of hard, but I think there's one speaker right here, another one is right here, and I think that's all. Because here we have a microphone, and yeah. So now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that means this phone does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.